Bhavan, Shillong came alive with festive cheer yesterday as it hosted a heartwarming pre-Christmas celebration. The program saw enthusiastic participation from guests and performers who added to the festive spirit through music and cultural performances, reflecting the essence of Christmas, a time for sharing, caring and togetherness. Gracing the occasion was C.H. Vijay Shankar, Governor of Meghalaya, along with other distinguished attendees. The Governor's House extended a warm welcome to all present, emphasizing the importance of celebrating unity, peace and the spirit of giving, which are hallmarks of the festive season.
The season to remind us of the values that brings light into our lives, kindness, compassion and unity. May the spirit of Christmas fill your heart with love, joy and peace.
The review meeting for the 6th